A junior coder walks into the office, laptop hugged to their chest, ready to hand in their first big project. But before they can speak, an AI agent slides a finished version across the boss's desk. Stanford economists found employment for early career workers in AI-exposed jobs has dropped about 13% since late 2022. At Klarna, an AI assistant confidently took the headsets off roughly 700 customer service agents. Then the calls started going sideways, and the company quietly walked humans back through the door. Picture a marketer's day as a stack of 20 paper tasks on a desk. An AI sidekick grabs 6 off the top: the drafts, the summaries, the formatting, but the human keeps the meetings, the judgment calls, the client handshakes. In a law firm, the AI is already doing what first-year associates used to do: document review, first drafts, the grunt work that built careers. Senior partners get sharper tools and more leverage. Juniors get fewer reps and a cracked bottom rung on the ladder. Meanwhile, new jobs walk through the door. In Nairobi and Manila, workers sit down at screens and start training the very models reshaping someone else's office on the other side of the world. The boss leans over 2 stacks of resumes, a humming AI server glowing beside them. MIT's Daron Acemoglu estimates AI will profitably handle only about 5% of tasks over the next 10 years, far less than the hype. The villain in this story isn't the AI. It's the overconfident boss who fires too fast and trusts the machine too much. Watch the survival move. A worker grabs the AI by the collar, points at the right task, checks its work, and signs their name on the result. In a Harvard and BC GPT-4, consultants using GPT tasks 25% faster, but only when they aimed it at the right problems. Cut to the final scene. That same junior coder stands on a podium with a headset on, baton in hand, conducting a swarm of AI agents like an orchestra. The job didn't disappear, it changed shape, and the people who learned to direct the machines are the ones taking the bow.